The State Department of Health says in 2009 there were 610 cases of HIV reported in Mississippi. 77% of those were African Americans. Now, as 16 WAPT's Sharita Urs reports, the NAACP is trying to fight the epidemic with information.
Willis Edwards contracted HIV 26 years ago. Now he has AIDS. He travels around the country sharing his personal story.
If it wasn't for my mother's love and the women of my church, I don't know whether I would be here, because I had 3 months to live, and I've been living 26 years now, so I'm very happy about that.
Today he visited Mississippi to talk about prevention. Edwards has served on the NAACP National Board for 12 years. His goal is to help families get a better understanding of what it's going to take to combat the AIDS epidemic in the African American community.
The NAACP is on a mission to bring families together so they can start having dialogue how to protect each other on all different diseases.
Experts say there's a lack of education about HIV and AIDS in some communities, and unsafe sex has led to an alarming number of HIV cases.
We find that many people think this disease is only being contracted by homosexuals, but in fact, all of the community, black, white, are vulnerable to the contraction of HIV and AIDS.
Willis hopes one day there will be a cure, but in the meantime, he says he will continue to raise awareness across the country. Sharita Urs, 16 WAPT News.
The CDC says right now more than 1 million people are living with HIV in the U.S. About 21%, or over 200,000 out of that total number of people living with HIV in the U.S. don't know they're infected.